Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM card and SD card into this device. So before we get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. You can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have one of them, to take off the cover if you have any on your phone, and locate the tray, which looks to be on the upper left side of the phone, so right over here. We'll find a tiny little pinhole right there for the tool, and then you want to push it in. As you can see, the tray just pops out a tiny bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for a dedicated SD card and two dedicated SIM cards, so you can occupy SIM card on either one of them. It really depends on you which one you want to place it, or use both if you want to. And SD card just goes right here. From there, carefully insert it back into the phone. There's nothing really holding those cards in place, so if they bump up, they could just kind of fall out. So there we go. And as you can see, the SIM card is already working. It's telling me to put in my PIN for the card. So I'm gonna quickly do that. There we go, and SD card is working as well, which you can see right here that it is detected. So that is how you would insert your SIM and SD card into your phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.